We've tested over 10 drones, and below are our recommendations for the 5 best drones for wedding. These are selected based not only on their performance but also on their feature set, design, and price. In this video we will look at some of the best drones for wedding on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. When your wedding ceremony is next month, you expect a day to be memorable with a drone cinematic wedding film. Fine. DJI Air 2S, the best budget drone for wedding videos, is a very impressive recording and photo shoot. Its 5.4K camera will provide the smoothest image and videos. If you want to capture real time, this UAF with a 3-axis gimbal camera is perfect to create a memorable moment. If you want to make artistic wedding films, this drone has unique features. It is the best way to provide a good experience, and the 10-bit log M colorful fills. You can select a suitable drone for a wedding day because it has an intelligent battery that can provide 31 minutes of drive. If you plan a wedding, then you should take off the price and quality. We choose this videography DJI 2S. Drone quadcopter is hugely the best budget drone for the wedding video. This drone has image stabilization that provides the max 7.5 mile video transmission range and clicks excellent shots, which is pretty. The 5.4K video gives a master shots in which all photographs are beautiful. It is the best for high dynamic range and excellent all-around capturing. Capable, loving images. DJI brand announced that they gave a big sensor that provides a significant world capture. Share it on social media if you cover your moment with color reproduction. Even low light scenes, when needed in the evening party, are sharp and capture alluring all sides. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Do you know what the best drone for weddings or other professional photography is? Good. You just have been browsing Mavic 2 Zoom. It is adjustable for improving your creativity and developing your professional work. It has a unique and compostable design with aerial image video options. Ultimate flexibility drone makes it cover your professional photography. To the quadcopter UAF with 24 to 48mm optical zoom camera that perfectly captures bright pictures, and you can fulfill your customer demand. The best shooting experience is built with the most valuable features, and it's made well material. Its effective 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom coverage around the function allows flyover shots. The Mavic 2 Zoom combines meters from perspectives and engineering plastic material to build quality high-resolution videos. For adventure, your other advantage is its long-lasting flight performance, up to 30 minutes flight time and 44 miles per hour speed. This Mavic 2 Zoom offers you an intelligent flight battery on a full charge and an innovative, robust controller to seek adventure. You can feel comfortable videography and find your favorite footage. The best drone for wedding videography, Mavic 2 Zoom, is still expensive but has current technology and low noise performance with unique parts. They are offered for videography or filmmaking, emergency response, conservation, and other services. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. If you are searching for a perfect drone with a high-speed journey drone for your outdoor use, Mavic 2 Pro is the correct choice. It is a color of natural, comparable, slim, iconic ergonomic design and fits all the time. Its quality build and stylish look at the first moon landing capacity have been made by Swedish craftsmanship since 1941. Ultimately, the adjustable drone aperture with HDR image stabilization. The Mavic 2 Pro quadcopter comes with an all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera that can capture your all-gorgeous image. It is 20 megapixels, which provides shots. The 1-inch CMOS sensor makes high-quality pictures and videos and gives stunning color details. Otherwise, you will get extra benefits from the drone, which can make wedding videography. It includes a new feature, hyperlapse, that offers a unique experience for a super shot. You can completely control the whole ceremony with the drone. The drone has 2 extra batteries with 2 car chargers, which make it easy to fly safely. It can continue the 25-minute flight performance and continue flying capacity. Even if it passes a bit faster for a long time performing, you feel a better shooting experience than the other drone. If you buy the drone, It's more flexible and with a price range. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO II. If you are looking for something extra quality and a superior drone, then you must choose the Autel EVO II 8K camera. Drone is the modern technology on the planet. The drone builds user flexibility, and image quality makes the brand appreciable. It can non-stop record you with its remote control and continuously shoot capacity in the air. When you expect more stable captures, it has an 8K record capacity. Customers are satisfied with rechargeable high-resolution videos. It is a foldable fuselage camera drone. 1/2 CMOS sensor can provide a sharper image quality. Overall superb. 12 optical sensor zoom cam all around capturing. If you won't build up a wedding or traveling video, the drone has a 4-hour battery and gives you an assured 35 minutes longer period of flight and high-speed videography. A 3.3-inch OLED display connects your mobile device and shows all capturing footage enabled. Its most worthy price range. But the drone is advanced in terms of technology that can be your new addition with a professional photography journey. Number 5. Parrot PF72800 Anafi. If you love creative videography and making slow-motion video drones, then the Parrot PF72800 Anafi drone is a great choice every time. Have a 4K HDR camera, you take 180 degrees amazing shots and full HD or 2.7K resolution silence video capacity. You can go outside coverage all around. Parrot Anafi drone is a stylish design and features ideal for wedding, traveling and other functions. Undoubtedly it is a lightweight and foldable drone that can quickly unfold and fly. When the drone battery is low, I don't think its intelligent auto return home features come back strictly to their starting point. The drone is highly tiny, including an ideal elastic strap. Also stylish and durable, case safe for your drone in daily use. Its Sky Controller remote can control the drone as you wish. It can capture selfies in a signal moment with 3x zoom around. It is a highly recommended drone. If you buy the drone, it has an automatic silence camera and a slow motion video bonus, and you can enjoy it all the time.